Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you with a very special Canadian Thanksgiving edition. It's a little bit different from the American, mostly to do with it being in a different month. So it's actually about a month and a half early. It's actually the first weekend of October. Just a little bit about Canadian Thanksgiving. It's pretty much just like the American type. We like to have turkey, have a nice long weekend, meet with family. We wanted to get a very Canadian-esque beer. It's a very Torontonian beer as well. The brewery is Park Brewery, one of our friends in, you guessed it, The Junction. So this one has a really cool name. It's called the Humber, and it is a French Saison. The Humber River is one of the main rivers that goes north-south through the city of Toronto. This is a French Saison, a very traditional style of beer that can be found in both parts of France as well as Belgium. The reason why it's called a Saison, or like a season beer, is that the French and Belgian farmers, they would utilize their full-time workers in the winter months to brew some nice beer for it to be ready for the summertime. You can really smell, oh, it smells so crisp and refreshing. I'm gonna go for a big old sip. Absolutely divine. Couldn't think of a better word to describe it. It's so nice, super fresh. It's also very Canadian because they actually utilize some rye in the malt. Rye being a very typical style of grain we have here in Canada. Super nice, super light, very refreshing, just an awesome beer for any time of the year. It doesn't have to be hot. You can drink these whenever. Stay tuned for next week where we showcase another one of Toronto or Canada or the world's craft beers. And remember, craft beer, it's here.